Hello from Los Angeles, California. This is Marin Steiner, and today we're going to do interactive concept presentation 4, and we're going to try and make elephant toothpaste, so that should be cool. I apologize for Dr. Bailey in the background. He's a baby and will whine probably. What we're going to try and do is make an exothermic reaction that creates oxygen and water, and as usual, try not to create a giant mess. So first, let's talk about what we're trying to do today. An exothermic reaction is a reaction for which the overall standard enthalpy change is negative. Exothermic reactions usually release heat and entail the replacement of weak bonds and strong ones. So for today's experiment, we've got the following ingredients. We've got hydrogen peroxide, which is 3% hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a chemical compound with the formula H2O2. In its pure form, it is a very pale blue liquid, slightly more viscous than water. Hydrogen peroxide is the simplest of the peroxides, and it is used as an oxidizer, bleaching agent, and an antiseptic. We also have dish soap. So that's right here. We've got Myers dish soap. Dish soap usually contains surfactants, preservatives, fragrances, colors, as well as active or inactive ingredients. We also have food coloring. I think today we will we'll choose red for our elephant toothpaste. So we've got that right here. Yeast, which we have quick rise yeast, which is right here. Yeast is a single cell organism called, pardon, I'm going to butcher this, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, which needs food, warmth, moisture to thrive. It converts its food, sugar, and starch through fermentation into carbon dioxide and alcohol. It's the carbon dioxide that makes baked goods rise, so there we know that. We also have some hot water, which is very hot right here. You can actually see it steaming maybe. And we've got two different containers to put in. So the one that we have the hot water in, and then we have another jar that's right here. So let's give this a shot. So for the first step, we're going to add our hydrogen peroxide into our containers. I'll put this down so you can see the plate right there and do it right here. There we go. So we're going to add some hydrogen peroxide. All right. Next, we're going to add a few drops of dish soap, which is right here. That should be good, I think. All right, then we're going to add a few drops of food coloring. There we go. Then we're gonna shake everything up a bit. All right. So next we're going to take our jar with the hot water in it, and then we're going to add a bit of the yeast and stir that all up. So we're going to change out this, and we're going to open our yeast here. And I got a spoon for this. We're going to add a bit of yeast. There we go. And I'm going to stir it all up. That smells rather gross. Alright, so that's pretty stirred up. So the next step, we're going to take our yeast mix that we've made now, and we're going to add it to our hydrogen peroxide mixer, and we're going to see what happens. I'm a little scared. Maybe we need to do this somewhere else, but let's do that. Alright, so we're going to take our yeast mix, and we're going to add it to our hydrogen peroxide mix, and we will see what happens. I'm actually not seeing anything happen. I think maybe this is a dud. This is an elephant toothpaste fail. Well, we tried our best to make elephant toothpaste today. I will have to go back and see how we can do this better for the future, but we did try it. And I was hoping for elephant toothpaste, but that didn't happen. So I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend, and I will see you for next week. Bye for now.